megahertz. NOAA Fisheries announces a voluntary vessel speed reduction zone under the right whale slow zone program is in effect east of Ocean City, Maryland through March 15, 2024 to protect right whales. All mariners and recreational boaters are requested to route around these areas or transit through them at 10 knots. Rain 30%. Test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning Device for station KHB38 in Atlantic City, New Jersey. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially dangerous seaways are automatically activated normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. Will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances, dangerous weather situations, especially if you'll receive quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas in and near southeast New Jersey and the Maine. If there is a threat of severe weather in oceans, including the Atlantic coastal waters from Manhattan, Illinois, New Jersey to Cape St. Delaware, and especially the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability normally more noticeable. Station KHB38 in Atlantic City, New Jersey. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas near Lewis, Delaware. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast. In New Jersey, Cape May. In Maryland, Caroline, Dorchester, Wicomico, and Worcester. And on the marine, the coastal waters from Great Neck Inlet, New Jersey south to Chincoteague, Virginia out 40 nautical miles, including Delaware Bay. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station WXJ94 in Lewis, Delaware. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.